Hi everyone, my name is Danny Grondin from Leisure Travel Van Enthusiasts. Today I've got a little something to share related to our nice LTV. Recently I faced some annoying drainage issues in my sink and my shower. After trying various solutions with no success, I decided to replace both HepvO valves. These valves goes beyond the typical P-trap for the shower and the kitchen sink. In the boat and the RV industry, they are often used because of their compact size, flexible installation, vertical or horizontal, and the fact that they don't require constant water to prevent unpleasant odors from rising from the sewer tank. Stick around to discover how these little wonders solve my drainage problem. So let's dive into this nice project together.
We are just two people and travel just between 20 and 50 days per year. I do have a short hair. Wife have a long hair, but we do have a air catcher here, so might be a good idea to at least clean that thing up from time to time. Yeah, it's quite something to look at, but might be a good idea to check yours eventually. I will check for leaks now. I'm winterized. I tried to clean it, but it's not good. It's not good enough. Goodbye, Charlie. Goodbye. The orientation is like that, so the higher part goes toward the ceiling and the part that have ribs goes toward the floor. There it is for the simple installation of the HepvO valve. Might be a good idea to check this valve for now and then to make sure everything is clean. I wasn't doing it at all, so I have to replace everything with new one. Might be a good idea to carry one spare. Never know. It's a bummer when you don't have drainage any longer and you are deep in the wood or state park, national park, something like that. So I will carry on for sure. Thank you very much, folks. Thank you.